Yeah, the secret to winning an award, I'll tell you quite quickly, because we've been here for 18 years. I was in the room with Shashi and Anu when we conceived, इसमें कुछ पन वन नहीं है, when we conceived the idea of ITA. I remember they said, let's have a television award which is different. And then we couldn't figure out how it would be different, and we left it at that. I'm just kidding. But the secret to winning an award, of course, is hard work, creativity, vision, and above all, if you can say Shashi Anu's name about 3 times in your presentation, which I'm going to do. Shashi Anu, give them a big hand. Shashi and Anu. Jokes apart, 18 years is a huge journey. Well done, well played. And I was thinking, they've done this for 18 years, and in 18 years of television, every time TV actors, no matter who you are, if you're working on TV from Shah Rukh Khan downwards, you have to get your conveyance. So, Shashi, Anu, I have not got even 1 year's conveyance, so I just want to mention that. 18 years, usme, because I come from South Mumbai, so usme the link ka paisa bhi hai. 105 rupees, GST to be added, VAT, etc. So I just want to bring that up, put it aside, and then move on. Everybody, we've done this show the week that wasn't for about 12 years now. 12 years is a long time. And I was thinking we have to get better ratings, we have to get better. How do we do that? And we are sitting here with all the peers, all the greats of television, all the big names, people who are the movers and shakers. So I thought, let's increase our ratings, let's do a good job. Let's ask you to help us increase our ratings and get a better show on the air. So I'm going to throw it open. If anybody wants to answer, please, how can the week that wasn't get better, get bigger, increase our ratings? Please, if there's anybody out there, speak. It's an open forum. Just go ahead. Help us. Okay, who's that? Who? Kahan? Where? Oh. Yes, that's right. Yeah. Yeah, big hand. What are you doing here, ma'am? Give her a hand, please. Thank you. I have finished 12 years. Thank you. Yes, yes. हाँ जी. 12 years, yes. मतलब? Ooh, ma'am, unnecessary. It's Cyrus. No, it's Cyrus. Sir, Cyrus, yes. Suresh, okay. तो हमारे पास एक उपाय है. तो बोलिए, please, tell me, please. आपका ये जो शो है ना, Big Bad Bhajan. That's right. वो किस लैंग्वेज में है? English, अंग्रेजी. अंग्रेजी में है. तो हमारे देश में अंग्रेजी में कौन बात करता है? कौन? एक ही आदमी बात करता है अंग्रेजी में. एक ही? Who? शशि रंजन. नहीं बेवकूफ, शशि रंजन नहीं, शशि थरूर. राइट. अब मेरा सुझाव ये है कि आप अपना जो शो है ना, वो हिंदी में कीजिए. हिंदी, स्पष्ट हिंदी में कीजिए. एकता कपूर प्रोड्यूस भी कर लेगी और नाम बदल डालिए आप शो का. ओके. क्या रखे नाम शो का जो हिट हो सके? यू टेल मी प्लीज. ये नाम रखते हैं हिंदी शो का. ये साइरस क्या कहलाता है? Oh, okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. That's very interesting. Not a bad idea. Sorry, audience, that was like a mistake. I don't know how she came up. But seriously, someone from the TV fraternity, is there anyone out there who can help us, including the catering staff? I don't mind. It's not a problem. You have an idea, just put your hand up. We're ready. Bindas, just speak openly. Is there anybody who would like to talk? Please, go ahead. Anyone at all.
I would like to talk. I would like to say something.
Oh, right. I think that's Ragaji. Yeah. Oh, yes, go. What do you want to say?
I would like to say 1, 2, 3, 4, mic check. 1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4, mic check.
Right, that's it?
No, I would like to say hello to everybody. Hello to everybody at ITA.
Everybody, hello.
Great what all you guys are doing for animal awareness.
Oh, no, that's, it's not ITA. You're confusing ITA with PETA. It's actually ITA.
Thank you.
Right,
I
right.
was just testing you, Sajid.
Sajid.
Yes, Sajid. And please give my love to your sister Farah. And if I can say just a couple more words, I would like to end.
Yeah, go ahead. All right, 2 words. 2 words. Go on. 2 words you said.
Something empowerment.
Right.
Something empowerment.
Yeah.
Something empowerment. I'm going to phone call. Something empowerment.
Right. Oh God, I apologize. This can't happen again. I don't know why this is happening, but I've been told because we're running out of time that they've actually got someone, a big VIP, a champ with communication. He's going to talk to us. This is serious, folks. Take down notes. All right? Phones on, please. Phones on. Yeah. Is he there? Can you put him on?
ऐसी ये पहेली राहों कभी ये हंसाए कभी ये रुलाए जिंदगी.
All right. What are you doing here, sir?
By the way, Cyrus, who was that fellow just before me in white kurta? I was under the impression that children are not allowed. Kai?
Right. That's not necessary. They did very well today. Be careful. Be
I
careful.
just want to tell you one thing. That other lady who was talking to you before, na?
Yeah. Yeah.
Purse,
Yes.
she doesn't know anything. Don't listen to her. If she knew everything, she would have won the last election at least.
Okay. All right.
Besides, we in government don't trust anybody who carries a purse like that in the open. Guy.
What does that mean?
Demonetization, I can.
Right. Yeah. Okay, go on.
But I can help you. I know your problem. I can help you increase the ratings of your show.
Oh, okay. What is it? What can you
What
do?
is the name of your show the week that has not happened?
No.
The show that was.
No.
What is it called? Tell me.
It used to be called The Week That Wasn't, but ma'am has changed it to Ye Cyrus Kya Kehlata Hai, so I'm a little confused.
Rubbish. This Hindi is all rubbish. I have better idea. Make the show Marathi.
Marathi.
And let's change the name.
Change the name again.
I have brainwave. I have a new name for your show.
Okay, what is the new name for the show?
It is a hit name, super hit name.
All right, go on.
Cyrus Yehuda. Cyrus Yehuda and Hawa can also come later on.
Okay, I don't know if I can pronounce it correctly, so I think that'll be a bit of a problem.
I'm not looking very happy.
Yeah.
In that case, I have only one other solution for you.
Go on, tell me who.
Only one person who can help you.
Who is that person?
Technically, he is not from my party, but we can call him anytime, anyway. Here he is. Take it away. Now let me speak. You had your chance. You spoke. You made your case. Now let me speak, ladies and gentlemen. Let me speak. Let me give a voice to it. After all, IKEA wants to know.
Yeah, right, that's all very great, but you have the answers to how we can improve the show, improve the ratings, that kind of thing. Can you tell us exactly what? Yeah.
Young man, let me finish. Don't interrupt. I don't interrupt when you're speaking. So let me go. Why is it that people have no manners these days? Let me tell you, you hypocritical Lutyens, Delhi types, why don't you listen? Learn to shut up and listen. Yes, I said it.
Yeah.
Shut up and listen.
Okay, all right. Listen, can you help me with the show or not? Is there something?
Yes, I have the solution. I have the answers. I have inveritable proof here in my hands. I can assure you, ladies and gentlemen, here in these papers where the print is so small that it can't even confirm what I'm saying. But I have the answers. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the answers. India, are you listening?
I don't know.
India, North, South, East, West, India, are you listening?
I can't answer for the whole of India. We have a very small market share, so to be honest, I can't give you a proper.
All right, I'm going to say it then. You push me, so I need to say it. Enough is enough. The nation is fed up. The nation is fed up. Nearby nations, Nepal and Myanmar are also fed up.
All right, okay, so how do I improve my show if you can.
One way to improve the show. If you're listening to me, I'm going to tell it to you.
Yeah.
I'm say it on camera here.
But-
I'm not afraid to say it. I will say it.
But-
I will come forward. I will be honest.
Just give the answer. What can we do?
Change your show. You want to make
Yes.
better.
Yes.
To change the anchor. Yes, I said
Oh.
it. I said it. Come on, I have to say it. I said it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Have a wonderful show. It's gone on too long already, so I need to get out as fast as we can. But have a great evening. Thank you, Shashi and Anu. Cheers.